A Whirlpool dryer that keeps stopping can be caused by several issues. The main reasons for this problem are overheating, a damaged drive belt, or a faulty moisture sensor. To address these issues, start by inspecting the dryer. Overheating can cause the dryer to stop frequently, and this may be due to a blocked vent or a dirty lint filter. Cleaning the lint filter after each use and examining the vent for blockages can help resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check the drive belt by first disconnecting the dryer from the power source, then removing the top panel, and finally taking out the drive belt from the drum. Inspect the belt for signs of damage, wear, or loosening, and replace it if necessary. If the belt is not the issue, the problem may lie with the moisture sensor. A defective sensor can incorrectly signal that the clothes are dry, leading to the dryer shutting off. To fix this, power off the dryer, disassemble the panels and control board, and inspect the sensor for damage. Use a multimeter to test the sensor for continuity, and replace it if it's faulty. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Whirlpool dryer and prevent it from stopping unnecessarily.